Oh, here come that race, y'all. Here it go.
Good cab.
Where y'all at, man? This Tesla or the Camaro? I'm going with this Tesla. Man, how much? How much? Bet 20. Bet 20. Turn his ass up. Hey, who else wants this mom? Well, let me get away from over here now, because I can't get no more bets. Let me get away. No, This is a $2,000 race, man. We got Mike Pena in the building, y'all. He orchestrated. He done set it up. Uh-oh.
It's gonna be a gap. I'm gonna call it right now.
It's gonna be a gap.
Yeah.
All right. That Tesla came through, y'all. Got me a dub.
Hoe ass motherfucker.
Hey, got me a dub, y'all. It's taco time. Yeah, up there in the front. You want some?
What'd you get?
I'm getting some fajita nachos.
Nachos?
Yeah, they got that cheese up there. Hot ass cheese.
We can't go right now.
No, we gotta get some more. I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna save it.
Okay,
I'm gonna save it. We'll be up there. Man, let me see if I can get a ride in this. Hey, Chris, what you finna? Hey, man, what you finna do, man? Man, let me ride with you, man.
I'm gonna come back and do it again.
Okay, bet. He gonna come back and do it again, y'all. My boy said we gonna be in the Tesla. Somebody said he lying, man. He usually don't be lying. We're gonna see if he lying today. Oh, he debashed it. Tesla all-wheel drive, y'all. I'm trying to see what he gonna do. Super Mike would be proud, y'all. Well, that thing do sound like it's running, y'all. He got something special done to that thing, man. You ready for me? Yeah. Okay. Boom. All right. Still smell new in here.
Gotta put your see if I can
Put my seatbelt on.
It won't work yet unless you do.
What? This thing here got some rules. Boom, I got the charge on. What year is this, Chris?
This one's 17.
2017, y'all. God damn.
I love you, Bobby.
I'm glad I got this gimbal. It should be working good.
Tell him to run Home Depot. Hey, you go run Home Depot.
Alright, here we go, y'all.
Everybody got shit to say.
God dang. This thing here is running, y'all. This thing here getting it. I think I want me one now. Yeah, this thing here getting it, man. Now you done made all them, now they all coming. They got their own opinion. They said it's not a 2017, it's a 2021, it's a P100, it's a Plaid series. You paid more You got a special computer tune I already put on it. You know somebody. That's pretty much all they had to say. They said it is fast though. He said, thanks for your opinion, guys. He will never tell his secrets.
Thank you.
Yeah, he said battery from China.
Got the Wu-Tang battery in there.
Yeah. Man. Let me see, do we have any weight reduction? Nah,
No.
he got all the seats and stuff in here. Dang, Chris, man, I enjoyed the ride, man. This thing here a beast, man. I ain't know it was doing all that. That thing doing something, though. I was gonna try you, but now I'm gonna leave you alone.
You think?
I said, yeah, this thing running, man. This thing running, Mike. It got a different feel. I don't know. It made me be quiet for a
Yeah,
second.
he was like,
I was like, damn, this bitch really pulling like that?
it's weird because it's so quiet.
Yeah, I'm just sitting in there. Hey, man. This thing here, I like this. Dang. Man, I like this. Let me look at it one more time. What y'all think about that, man? Y'all ever been in a Tesla? Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.